You can make your own Christmas sweater with a sweatshirt felt fabric by drawing the sleigh on the felt fabric. The stencil reindeers were too small, so drawing a regular reindeer is much better, especially for a bigger sweater. And then attaching tinsel pipe cleaner to the sleigh to embellish it and using it as also reins for the reindeer, then using fabric paint and fabric glitter for the beard, hair, reindeer antlers, and the star on the top of the tree, as well as the bottom of the sleigh, and then felt fabric to create all kinds of presents and miniature presents as well as miniature gloves. And googly eyes for the cutie reindeer, as well as tinsel pipe cleaners to make some boots for the cute reindeer, and the applicator to apply the rhinestones. Let me know if you'd like me to show you how I style it and wear it.